This is room tour of the Hyatt Regency in Panama City, Panama. The bathroom was clean, had great lighting. There were robes. I love when hotels have robes. Your standard safe. There was water included, coffee station. Room for luggage. There was a nice treat when we got there, these plantain chips, and there was water and a very lovely note. The lighting was unusual because when you stepped off the bed, you got underbed lighting to guide you to the bathroom, which was very nice. There was also lighting in the bathroom when you stepped in at night. The lobby was spacious and comfortable. There was a 24-hour coffee shop where you could get little sandwiches and coffee and snacks. Now we had club access, but the club was closed. I guess it was being renovated. So instead, we got the buffet breakfast in the dining room in the morning. It was a very nice buffet with an omelet station and many choices. As part of the club access for the club that wasn't open, we got a dinner in the restaurant. It was a short menu, but it was fine. There was maybe 5 or 6 options on it, and it was their dinner, so it was a great compromise for the club being closed. We also got wine with dinner, dessert, appetizer. It was a full dinner. It was very nice, and it was in this little Isario restaurant. The pool area was on the second floor, kind of overlooked the city a little bit if you went to the end. It's the front of the building. The hotel's located in the financial district, not a touristy section, but it worked well for us. Very walkable, very safe. There was a little convenience store right next door. There's a casino up the block, also a little casino.